Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice antimatter blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera with a lovely tailgate step, mud flaps on the rear, a nice gripped running board with mud flaps on the front, side view camera, trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection, turn light and spotlight indicated, and moving to the front we got a black hood deflector, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front park sensing, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably with this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpet interior, storage and cup holders. We got rear vents, USB-Cs, and more outlets, and we do get a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, auto stop buzzer, lights, spotlights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 10 kilometers. We got this leather-up steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have my view, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, not vehicle maintenance, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select with tons of storage, outlets, cup holders, got more storage in the center console, drive modes with rear locking diff, four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated front seats with dual climate, 12 volt and 120. You got storage above and below, storage on the dash, and above me we do have our features for our rear window opener, which is perfect for extra air. We got our park assist, hazards, traction, and a nice 360 view of the vehicle. And you can change the camera angles. Looking at our main screen here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, zone lighting, all that jazz. Any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE79450, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.